Hey cuties, I just downloaded an app I used to play before. I just felt like downloading it. It's called Bird Life. So I just downloaded it. So let's play right now. Okay. Green screen direction and setting. Oh my god, Birdie. It's a budgie. These are bird only you can get. Welcome to Bird Life. Oh my god, Shima Minuta. The budgie, the cockatoo, I don't know who this is then. Oh, I love it. And this is another lovebird. And this is a cockatoo. Play. How to Logan bonus. Yay. How to raise the bird. Firstly, press the plus button. Firstly, press the plus button on the top screen. After pressing it, the bird's choice page will display. Please choose one to play with you. How many birds can you raise? The number of birds you can raise is displayed on the top of the screen. While grammar about use rainbow wing to exchange, you can raise to a maximum of 12 birds. Limits. Birds you can take out in a very. Upgrade your limit with limit up in menu. Baby limit. When you reach baby limit, press the next button in menu to upgrade your limit. Same bird limit. Upgrade your limit for same bird with bird shop and the item shop. Kinds of bird. There are many kinds of bird. If you clear the stage, kinds of bird. There are many kinds of bird. If you clear the stage with a bird icon, you'll get a new bird and collect all birds. How to take care of birds. Off! Where's the off in the... Where is the grammar so bad? How to take care of birds. They forgot to write off. How to take care of birds. Touch. Tap the bird slightly. Bird would be very happy. Move. Tap the bird and hold it. Then you can move it to wherever you want. How to take care of birds. The way to feed bird. Tap on feeder. Move. Double click the floor and bird will come near you. The way to breeding bird baby. Choose two birds you like and click the mix button. Please choose a bird to be mixed. Mix. Infant was born. Bird baby is born. So cute. Bird you selected will not be gone. Don't worry. Shop. At the shop you'll find toys for your bird and furniture for decorating your bird's room. Buy your favorite furniture to decorate your own unique room. Play with bird and create the happy bird life. Many kinds of bird will be released. Please enter house name. Milk creamy. I don't know why. I just named it milk cream. I'll just name it. I don't know. Firstly, try to release bird. Please tap the bird. Okay. If you stroke bird, training god will fail. Training level becomes 2. Let's go see shop. Try to buy food bowl. Yes, sit up. Do not forget to give food to your bird. Tutorial is over. Please take a walk with this bird. Huh? Oh no, Anna, no! Hey, no! That's so cute, actually. Okay, wow, this bird is so cute. Play. Birdie. Line up the five more birds. 5 more birds. Oh no. Yay, clear. I had a budgie named Blue. It was same color like this. So I'll name it Blue because I had the same budgie like this before. Then I'll name it Sunshine because I also had the same budgie like this. Sunshine. I had these two colors, the blue one and the yellow one. Oh no, where are you? No! Where are my budgies? Burnham. What Burnham? There you go. Bird which you can release willingly. Would you like to exchange? No. What is this? Help! Oh no. How to raise the bird? Oh, these are the tutorials from the start. Okay, buddy. Oh my god, budgie, here you come. You're so cute. Today for more time. Tap. What will we get? What will we get? What will we get? Oh, we got this. What is it saying in Japanese? Water. Oh, we don't have enough. We can just check it. Common blue water jug. 200 coins. Buy. I don't have enough money. I just have these ones. Cute ribbon water jug. Buy grade 1. Western style black water jug. Buy grade 2. Japanese style water jug. Buy grade 3. A water bottle that invokes the feeling of summer. Buy grade 4. A water bottle with a pretty rainbow. Buy grade 5. A water bottle scrawled with ancient letters. Buy grade 6. A water vessel thinly covered in snow. Buy grade 7. A water vessel with an elephant design. Buy grade 8. A shortcake water vessel. Buy grade 9. Okay, let's look at the throw. Huh? Did I read it correctly? Common brown feeder. Remove? I don't want to remove it. Cute ribbon feeder. 300. Western style brick feeder. Japanese style feeder. A feeder shaped like a flotation device. A lightweight feeder that's covered in clouds. Found among the ruins. Could it be a feeder? A bait container made of ice. A bait container with a monkey face. A bait container made from donuts. Food. Especially popular among small birds, millets, appetizing red fruits, strawberries, super nutritious Japanese mustard spinach, an autumn classic persimmon. Fresh small fish that's just caught. Cute and colorful jelly bean. A very sweet, nutritious and slightly strange substance. Winter means oranges. Sweet, colorful sugar candy. A colorful macaron. Toy. Play with it by pulling it. Stress toy. Cute pink toy. Inside the ribbon is a bell. There is a doll of a rat attached to the cord. Toy with a lantern. Let's pull the blue shell. A toy featuring a balloon design. A bird made of stones. A snowman toy. A rabbit toy. It's very fluffy. A shaking cake toy. Ball. Normal. Pink. New. I don't want to read all of it, but I'll just check. Swing. Okay. Tatami. Okay. Cage. Oh my god. Slow. Scenery. Restriction. Oh my god. Okay, let's go. Red and green macaw. Blue and yellow macaw. Paris hawk. Eurasian eagle owl. Japanese robin. Blue and white flycatcher. Sundance Scops owl. Bengali finch. Striped owl. Illusion bullfinch. Barn swallow. I don't know. It does not have a name. Oh my god. It does not have a name. What? It does not have a name. Gala. Grey parrot. Cactus bird, male. Electus bird, female. Philippine eagle, sun conure. I don't know how to pronounce it. Snowy owl. Okay. Bird shot. Budgie blue, budgie yellow. Decoration. Decorate a very with decoration. Class buy an item will be placed in the room. Place and hold decoration to place item in box. Position and sell decoration with the box. Okay. This video is going to be long. Effect. Okay, what's this? I don't know. What is possession? Wait, I didn't. It is go to up. It is go to up all. What? Not great for weekly. You're eating your food. Good budget. My bird is not on the map. Play. Yeah. My bird you caught on the map. A bomb block will appear when three same color blocks are arranged, both vertical and horizontal. Oh, let's use that away. I want to be quiet now. Yeah, it's already clear. How did that appear? When five same color blocks are arranged together, rainbow block will appear. Let's use right away. Okay. Oh my bird to the bottom. What? This is so funny. My bird is gone down. Yes, please, Budgie. Come and clear this for me. I can't even do it. Yeah. Go here. Oh, no, Budgie, where did you go? Close to the crocodile one. Will involve blocks. Let's use the hammer. You can destroy your favorite block. Break one block which you want. Use. Middle one. Budgie, please clear this for me. I can't do it. obstacle panel. That's very simple. How do you activate it? Yes! It's easy. Yes! No, yes. Can release will increase. Would you like to exchange? Yeah. Hey. I also had a crocodile. Its name was Yeah, these are based off my real pets, maybe. How am I getting my real pet here? Yay, there's a crocodile. Training level become C. Yay, I got. Are you planning to enjoy? Please give an evaluation. It is good. Later. Let's see your eating it. First, you're holding an. Wait, what is that? Please touch the bird. 10 out of 10. Yay, I got some. Eat it. Why are you not eating? Are you full? Let's see your status. It's not hungry. I don't know. It doesn't have status of hungriness. Achieve the feeding. Oh, why is it hungry? I'm sorry. I disturbed you. Can you sit here? No, you can't sit there. Why are you pointing towards it? It says it doesn't want to sit there, maybe. Okay, bye. I have to eat lunch.